Alrighty, y'all. Welcome back. This is actually going to be a video. I was going to say welcome here to Billionaire 2033, but this is actually going to be one video going up on all 10 of my channels because we got I would say bad news, but it's not really bad news because there's not a lot of followers, not a lot of viewers right now, and understandable. It's a new channel. I mean, I've got views and stuff, but I mean, about what you'd expect for a brand new, for brand new channels that are coming out. As you can see, right here, I got 8 views, 6 views, 8, 2, um, you know, 30 views in the last 30 days. So, about normal, I guess, for channels that are just starting out, but it could be better. Better video quality and everything. And I knew that when I first started. I could get better thumbnails, better video editing, and stuff like that. And now, because of recent events, things have changed, and that stuff is possible. Yeah, I got video editing software that I use, for other stuff, but um, there's been an upgrade. So, and I knew it was coming, but I just didn't know when. But it's here finally, and it's because of my YouTube channels. I got a media company that I started. It's in the making. The website's being built for it and stuff. And it's going to be like it's a small business, but it's going to be a production company that makes video content, film edit, films, short films, editing, wedding videos, real estate, all that stuff. But mainly it's my company, and we're going to be outsourcing all that other stuff because we're going to have the equipment and everything, so we might as well use it. But having 10 YouTube channels, I pretty much got to have my own production company to manage and do 10 YouTube channels. But we're moving on up, so to say, as Jefferson would say it. We got Adobe now, the full suite. Even though I'm only going to be using basically Premiere, After Effects, and Photoshop out of it. I might use Dreamweaver. I've already got an editor, but I don't know. I did use Dreamweaver many years ago, but I might check it out, see what it's like now that Adobe has it. But anyway, all 10 channels do have upload schedules. Like the Billionaire 2033 channel is going to be on Mondays, and Explain review. See, you can see all my channels down here on the shelf that I have on all of them. There's the Poor Filmmaker, Explain Review. Explain Review is going to be on Mondays, But that's on hold right now because I got a little bit of learning to do. For one, I don't want to put together, crappy videos, either for clients or on my own now, on my own channels, even though that's how I started out. But I just wanted to get videos up and get content up so people know that I'm here and the channel is officially underway, and basically channel intros for each channel, telling you what's to come and everything. And I got 2 membership sites. One of them right here is a Security Research Academy, which it has its own YouTube channel, but it's also got a membership, Security Research Academy, where I teach security research, penetration testing, bug bounty hunting, and all that stuff. And that's a video course. So the videos in it are going to need to be of good quality and all. And so I'm basically taking courses, spending a little bit of money, so to speak, on learning courses. But for you all that are my video followers, you can see right here I got the Poor Filmmaker. So we'll get to that in just one second. But like I said, I got to learn this stuff. I got to learn After Effects and Premiere I have used them, like I said, many years ago. Probably, you know, I don't know how many versions. 10 years ago, I'm guessing, maybe 8, 7, something like that. And Photoshop too. But I'm sure, 2021 now. I'm sure they've changed quite a bit and had a bunch of new stuff added to them and everything. So I got to get up to speed on that, and that's going to take time, and I got to make all my content. I got to make all my lower thirds. I got to make all my motion graphics. If I want my videos to be better, for y'all watching, I need to, get all this stuff going much better. But anyway, here's 2 courses. First of all, this one. This is I'm in 2 courses, but this is Tomorrow's Filmmakers. It's $97. Now it used to be, $10,000. Well, with it discounted, but this is what you get a lot of training up here. And they knocked it down. Well, first it was 900 and something. Then they knocked it down to 697. Then it was actually it was 697. Then it went to 597 for like a VIP people. And this was before 2020, mind you. And 5 months ago or so, 6 months ago, they knocked it down to $97. Now, you can see what all you get here in this course. This course comes with cameras, teaches you all about cameras, lenses, lighting, audio, gear, editing, the business side of it, cinematography, weddings, real estate, music videos, travel, product videos, time-lapse, directing, special effects, yada yada. Storyboarding, writing, stop motion, stunts, mobile filmmaking. And this is actually a Christian school. This school is run by Christians, and that's, 6 months ago, that's why they're $97, because of 2020 and everything that happened. There's a lot of people that are short on money or don't have the money to spend. They can't drop $1,000 for a course, and all. And they've been, these people have been around for a while. They're actually one of the 2 top film making courses out there, in my opinion. And other people's opinions. I'm not alone in that, but and so they made enough. And like I said, this course is not their main income. They are filmmakers also. As you can tell right here, as he's holding probably a red camera, I assume, which is an expensive camera. But anyway, so they're helping the Christians out, and stuff like that. Anybody can take it, mind you. Anybody can take it, long as you don't mind, a little bit of preaching, every now and then. If you don't mind hearing the word God every once in a while. And personally, I don't. My father was a preacher, minister, a Pentecostal religion. For those of those before you ask, I'll tell you. But anyway, that's that. And I've also got this one here, which is a much more expensive. This one doesn't have, well, it's got a discount, but they've got a $5,000 value, and they're even today $997 one-time payment. It's a lifetime membership, and you can see they pretty much got the same thing: equipment, technical, cinematography, video business. Real estate videos, wedding videos. Now, they come from a different, equipment, audio, and everything, drones, and so you might say, well, what's the difference? Well, there are differences. I won't get in. I won't go. I'll do an in-depth video. See right here they use Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro, and there's other one. There's DaVinci, and there's other ones and stuff, and filmmakers, Tomorrow's Filmmakers, they cover Final Cut also and Premiere Pro. But you get different cameras. You can see right here, I can tell by the red ring right there that's a Canon L series lens, which is Canon's luxury lens. It's I think the most expensive line. But Tomorrow's does Canon too. They're mostly Canon centric. If you like Canons, they do talk about other ones, but they prefer Canon, and there's small differences like that. This one here, if you're going to start a business, like I am, I'm starting a multimedia company. I forgot where it was now. Right here, Video Business 101. Their business section goes much more in depth than the business section for Tomorrow's Filmmakers and everything. But, here's, my, this is tomorrow. Yeah, this is Tomorrow's Filmmakers. Here's my course in there. And you can see I'm scrolling here. There's like close to 100 videos in this course. And you can see right here, I'm only 4% through it yet. And, I still have the full-time filmmakers course to go through, which theirs is just as comparable. But I have an affiliate link in the description if you want to sign up for Tomorrow's Filmmakers. Now, if you want to sign up for the full-time filmmakers course at nearly $1,000, that's fine. I'm not going to give an affiliate link for them. You do have to be members of these courses to even get an affiliate link. But like I said, we go back over here to my channel. You can see my filmmaking channel is The Poor Filmmaker, and that's the point of view that I'm coming at. And so $97, while still a poor person might not be able to afford, but it's the lowest that you're going to get that's out there. You could probably Google filmmaking courses on Google and maybe find something for $49 but just remember, people, you get what you pay for, especially in this world today in 2021. But you can get you can do that and get one of the top two, for $97, get one of the top two courses, because Full-Time Filmmaker and Tomorrow's Filmmakers are about the two biggest out there, like I've said. Or, if you have the money and everything, you can spend the $9.97. But, if you want to help my channel out and everything and want to give Tomorrow's Filmmakers a try, I'm also on their Facebook group and stuff. I could be on their the full-time I just haven't signed up yet. I don't know if I belong to enough groups already. I belong to Ty Lopez's social media marketing Facebook group and a bunch of other, so I might just stick with Tomorrow's Filmmakers group and leave it at that. But anyway, that's what I want to get to put this video up. Like I said, the same video will be on all my channels for now until I get the channels going on a regular basis, and I get what I need to know down. I got to get Premiere Pro down, which actually is much easier than After Effects. Premiere Pro is just Adobe's editing suite. That's pretty much all it does, is for editing videos and stuff. The bigger and more in-depth program is After Effects. That does all your special effects and all that stuff, motion graphics and everything. But and I got to script my videos. I got to do better videos, storytelling, and all that stuff, because apparently people don't like talking off the cuff like I do in all these videos here and like I'm doing now, because I digress a lot. I've asked people to comment in the comments on whether they would prefer me to script my videos and keep on track, or whether they want me to freestyle it and go off the cuff, and nobody comments. So for one, they probably don't listen long enough to hear me say that. They probably listen less than a minute and then leave, according to my analytics that I see. But all right, that's fine. I'm still going to make videos and stuff, because like I said, I got to practice this stuff. This is like, making these videos is like homework to me. It gets me used to my software, used to my editing and all that stuff, my storytelling and writing and all that. So I'll still make them, and they'll be up there for however long YouTube wants to keep them up there, long after I'm gone, I hope. But anyway, that's the state of affairs right now for my channels, people. And I'm sure none of you are going to miss it much, but I will be back. Probably, give me a month or so, and we will resume with hopefully much better videos. Now, granted, they won't be top quality video. I'm not going to learn to be an expert in a month, so, but they'll probably be a little better than what they are now. So you can at least expect that. So with that, I bid you guys adieu. Enjoy the holidays coming up. I know it's October, so I know, what is that holiday? I guess Halloween. Thanksgiving's not until November, so yeah. So I know Halloween's coming up, and you guys enjoy Halloween, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Hang tight and stay cool.